Pretty creepy, yeah. I just want to marry all the little boys. There's not enough little boys in the world. You know, it's fun when you take all the juice out of stars. Like this. Mine.
It is like the air dust there.
Except that I can remember.
There is like points of last summer that I don't remember.
It's when you do this, you can't think of what to say, but then later you're like, hey, I should say that on television.
Yeah.
Surprise, cockbag.
So let's stop and think about this.
Like he turns from the littlest boy to like.
Now, then I take some duster. Let's stop and think about this.
Dude, I love doing that. My voice gets even.
Another balloon in the front.
Believe us loves to rate Richard.
I was there for when that came off. Would love.
Hey, we need this balloon.
Hey, yeah, can you just talk about it? Makes me feel all hyper
I don't think
and
they
cool.
We'll get it, Cody.
I know. I can't move. I can't feel my legs.
You're moving your foot all over.
I don't think he's being serious.
I do.
I don't think he's kidding.
His lips like lost all the color.
So much that my voice was permanently like, hey.
That'd be awesome.
Oh, Cody.
I think your
I
mom
would
would
hang
be
out with you every day.
We'd be like,
Hey, Cody, say that one thing.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let's think of
man.
what to say before you go get it. Oh, you should have said.
There's no more balloons.
You should have sang the
I'll go
Tiny
get it.
Tim
Go get
song.
it.
Go get what?
Wait, how do I get it out?
Just bite it. That's what we did.
Just go like, Hey, is there more balloons up there?
One.
I don't